up, good people? Huge shout out to Bannister Nissan for allowing me to review the 2024 Nissan Z. Ignite your passion with the 2024 Nismo Z, wrapped in a stunning black diamond pearl. Sleek, agile, and built for performance, it measures 173 inches in length with a low aggressive 51 inches in height. With a 100 wheelbase and just 4.9 inch ground clearance, this beast hugs the road and ready to deliver an unforgettable driving experience. Under the hood, the Nismo Z packs a punch with its 3-liter twin-turbo V6 engine with a Nismo tune, delivering an exhilarating 420 horses for the torque 348 at 2,000 RPM. This powerhouse launched from 0 to 60 in a blistering 3.9 seconds with a top speed of 165 miles per hour. While it's thrilling on the road, it still offers a solid fuel efficiency, 24 mpg on the highway, 17 mpg in the city. The Nismo Z is a high-performance sports car that boasts a bold and aggressive design. It's designed to deliver both style and exhilarating performance. This has an MSRP of $68,000. Now we're making our way inside the vehicle. We're greeted with black and red leather seats. Right here we're looking at a digital analog gauge. On the left you have your low fuel, on the right you have your engine and water temp, in the middle you have your RPMs. Using the buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, you can go through your tire pressure, boost, G-force, settings, and all the other good stuff. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have your radio control with your menu button. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control setting with your Bluetooth and voice command with your plus and minus pedal shifters. Looking on the left side of the steering wheel, you have your traction control button. Looking down on the door panel, you have your standard unlock and lock with your one-touch window control with mirror control. You have your traditional analog gauges. On the left, you have your boost. In the middle, you have your turbo. On the right, you have your voltage. Right here we're looking at a 9-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, running the latest Nissan Connect. Looking down from the radio, you have your climate control with your 2 USB outlets. You have your engine start stop button, aka your push button start. This particular model is a keyless entry. You have your drive mode. You have your shift knob. This particular model is a 9-speed automatic transmission. You have your cup holder area with your trunk release. Also, you have your glove box for extra storage space. We then made our way up to your interior lighting with your SOS Safety Connect. Behind the seat, you have more storage. Now we're making our way to the cargo area, measuring at 6.9 cubic feet. Wow, you can put a couple of groceries back here. Once again, huge shout out to Bannister Nissan for allowing me to review the 2024 Nissan Z. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.